Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Artistry Design District. It's called the Artistry Design District. This is in Houston, Texas, and it's basically in the Greater Heights. It's another great Heights choice in the Greater Heights for you to consider. It's really pretty. I think you're gonna love it. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna tour. We're gonna do the best tour ever. We're gonna see all of the amenities. We're gonna see 3 apartment models, and we're gonna just be talking about the Heights. You don't have to come in person. You can just watch this as your tour. It's gonna be very detailed. It's gonna be about 12 videos. They're really gonna be quick, so you can just watch them one after another, and then see just these beautiful apartments. I think you're gonna really like what you see here. And they're gonna have specials and good prices, and you can have a newer, nice apartment here in the Heights at the Artistry Design District. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. That's my number below, and at any time we can set up a tour that's on your iPhone live or in person live. We can also do live tours of everything in the Heights as well, all apartments, and we can do them all in one day. So send me a text, say hi at any time, and now let's go to the next video. We're going to talk a little bit more about the area.